6 simple exercises to lose thigh fat fast at home. Are you bothered by your big thighs and want to do something about it today? In this video, I will share with you specific exercises that can target your thigh area and help you lose those thigh fats. Having large thighs can be incredibly frustrating because it's often the last part of your body to reduce in size. No matter how much exercise you do to lose weight, your thighs can still look the same. But you don't need to spend hours at the gym to make your thighs smaller. What you need to do is exercises that specifically target your legs. Here are 6 simple exercises you can do at home to lose thigh fat fast. 1. Oneply Squats. Stand with your feet greater than shoulder width apart. Turn your toe outwards. Keep your heels firmly planted on the floor and your hands resting at your waist. Slowly bend your knees and lower your body until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Hold your squat for 2 seconds before bringing yourself back up. Repeat 10 times. 2. Front lunges. Stand with your feet together and your hands resting at your hips. Take a large step forward with your right leg and lower your body until your left knee is close to the floor. Bring yourself back up to your original standing position. Repeat 10 times on one side before doing the same with the other side. 3. Lateral Toe Taps. Stand with your feet around shoulder width apart. Clasp your hands together and hold them at chest level to help keep your balance. Bend your knees slightly and extend your right leg outwards to tap your toes on the floor beside you. Bring your feet back to the center and keep tapping your toes to the side until you've reached a total of 10 taps. Do the same for the left side. 4. Inner thigh pulses. On a mat, lie on your right side. Bend your elbow and rest your head on your palm. Keep your left arm relaxed with your palm resting on the mat. Keep your right leg extended and bend your left leg so your foot is planted firmly in front of your right knee. Slowly lift your right leg from the floor and go as high as you can. Hold the highest position for 2 seconds before slowly bringing your leg back to the mat. Repeat 10 times before doing the same on the other side. 5. Fire hydrants. On a mat, get on all fours. Make sure your arms and thighs are perpendicular to the floor. Keeping your knees bent, lift your right leg to the side. It seems silly, but it might help to picture how a dog would pee on a fire hydrant. Lower your leg back down to the center. Repeat 10 times before doing the same thing for the right leg. 6. Donkey kicks. On a mat, get on all fours, making sure to keep your back straight rather than arched. Keeping your knee bent, lift your right leg by extending your foot towards the direction of the ceiling. Hold the top position for 2 seconds before lowering your knee back down to touch the mat. Repeat 10 times before doing the same for the left leg. These simple exercises will help you lose thigh fat fast without ever having to set foot in a gym. All you need to do is set aside some time each day to do them at home. By doing these exercises once per day, you should be able to achieve visible results in just 1 week. That should motivate you enough to continue doing them and get the beautiful, shapely legs you never thought you could ever get. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.